Hello, my name is Simon and this is my Kuga. Today I will show you how to change the oil filter and the oil. That should not be too difficult, I thought initially, but then I found out that the engine is a Peugeot engine which has been put into a Ford and therefore it had to be modified, which means that the oil filter is very difficult to assess. So I didn't find a good tutorial on the internet, so I thought maybe I'd do my own. So this is what I came up with. How to replace the oil filter and change the oil of a Ford Kuga Mk1. Firstly, we have to remove the motor cover. Pull it carefully, please. It will be removed. Now we can see that the filter is below here. This means that we have to remove all these parts to get to it. Firstly, there's a small clip behind this oil filler cap. Push it and you move this up, which means gives us more space here, filters here, and then we have to remove those Allen keys, remove the air mass sensor, remove these, and in the end remove the whole box of it. We come to that in a while. Save them in there. So, let's see. This should be off now. It isn't. Oh yes, it is. So, and now we have to remove this box, and then we have one here. We will have one here, and I think one way shown here. Let's start with the two upper here. Yeah. Now theoretically This thing should come out. Yes, it does. Okay, that's out. Which means that we now have achieved our goal. There is the oil filter. Honestly, the French engineer doing this should lose his job for sure. Not really. I will put a nut on that and then turn it. Inside, oh, oil has. Yeah, by the way, this looks like this. Glove, towel. Now we remove the filter. Looks like this. If we compare, they do actually look a little bit different, but diameter-wise and height-wise, they are the same. The hole in the middle of the thing is that visible. Yes, there's some type of cross that sits in the middle, and when you push it down on the lever down there, it will open the valve. Here you have the same thing. What has to be done has to be fixed in here, and then the whole assembly has to be pushed in on this. So we insert this to the oil dipstick hole. Water the cars on level ground. Yeah, until it stops here. Now we connect it to the pump, which kind of is a problem because it's a little bit too short. So now I have drained the oil. I have reassembled the filter. See here, it's put down here 25 Newton meters of torque necessary, and now let's reassemble the whole thing. So then let's put in the new oil. It's a 15W30 oil, and it fulfills the Ford, yes, this one, the M2C 913C standard. This has 4 liters, and we actually got out a little bit more than 5 liters, 5.1 I guess, but in the manual it says it should be 5.4 liters, so we put in 5 liters and then use the dipstick and check how much oil we have in. So let's see if we succeeded. When we start the engine, the oil lamp will initially come on for testing, and then it must shut off when the oil pressure is built up. So let's see if that works. Yes, success. What you also see is that the car is still telling me that I have to change my oil. I'm saying it in Swedish, however, but it still does. So we will fix and reset that as well. For this, switch off the car, press the accelerator and the brake fully, turn the ignition on, press and wait. See, service oil resetting in progress, so still pressing. Reset complete. Now we switch off and we release the pedal. So we start the car now. No complaint. Oil reset complete, says. Good. That's it. Until next time.